Now I try to use ChatGPT for letters and resume. Actually, the question can ChatGPT, but I just give the short since they understand what I'm saying. Letter resume here, how specific type of letters. Okay, now this is my introduction. Okay. Textbook. Okay, just copy this paragraph. Ask ChatGPT to create a resume. Say right. Right. Oh, David. Yep. Oh, master in Mandarin study. Now master in IT. ChatGPT organization, yeah. Blah blah. Not bad. Check my information is master degree from you. Oh, okay. They saw that I'm teaching Mandarin. I have a master degree in IT, not really in language teaching. No, a master degree in IT. Has a master degree in IT. So write a, maybe change the letter to for a CEO position in edu in a big company in Google education to see what can it create. Write a letter for Malaysia. See, not the letter, dear, blah blah. Nice. Okay, from now onwards, I'll give up writing letters by myself. I will use the ChatGPT to do many writing jobs for me. Haha, free secretary.